Hello everyone, this is Sonali Sharma. Today we'll understand what is project communication management. Project communication management includes the process that are required to ensure timely and appropriate planning, collection, creation, distribution, monitoring, and ultimate disposition of project information. Project managers spend most of their time communicating with the team members and other stakeholders, whether they are internal or external to the organization. Now let us understand what is the importance of good communication. The greatest threat to many projects is a failure to communicate. Our culture does not portray IT professionals as being the good communicators. Research shows that IT professionals must be able to communicate effectively to succeed in their position. Strong verbal skills are a key factor in career advancement for IT professionals. Effective communication creates a bridge between diverse stakeholders who may have different cultural and organizational background, different perspective and interest, which impact and have an influence upon the project execution or the outcome. Now let us understand what are the project communication management processes. There are three management processes which include plan communication management, manage communications, control communication. In plan communication management, we develop an appropriate approach and plan for the project. Communication based on stakeholder information, needs, and requirement. In managed communication, we create, collect, distribute, store, retrieve, and ultimate arrangement of project information in accordance with communication management plan. And in control communication step, we monitor and control communication throughout the entire project life cycle. Now, what are the inputs to plan communication management? Inputs are project management plan, which includes information on how the project will be executed, monitored, controlled, and closed. Stakeholders register, which provides the information needed to plan the communication with project stakeholders, which includes identification information, assessment info, stakeholders classification. Third one is enterprise environmental factor, which includes condition not under the control of project team that influence, restrict, or direct the project. And the last one is organizational process assets, which includes the plans, process, policies, procedures, and knowledge bases specific to the organization. What are the tools and techniques for the plan communication management? Which includes organizational chart, project organization and stakeholder responsibility relationship, communication technology, which includes the type of technology adopted to transfer information among the project team, communication model, which is used to facilitate communication and the exchange of information may vary from one project to another project. As you can see in the diagram, that the sender sends a message to the receiver. When it transmits a message and the receiver decode that message and send acknowledgement or the feedback message. Communication methods, which includes the different methods that are used to share information among project team stakeholders. The three methods are interactive communication like meeting, phone calls, video conferencing, push communication, which includes a letter, memos, reports, emails, pull communication, which includes e-learning, lesson learned database, etc. And the last one is meeting. Meeting requires discussion and dialogue with project team to determine the most appropriate way to update and communicate project information. Now, what are the output which we get from the plan communication management? Output describes how project communication will be planned, structured, monitored, and controlled. Stakeholder communication requirement, we get information to be communicated, person responsible for communicating the information. Now let's see how we manage communication. This process includes creating, collecting, distributing, sorting, retrieving, and the ultimate arrangement of project information in accordance to the communication management plan. And the key benefit of this process is that it enables an effective and efficient communication flow between project stakeholders. Tools and techniques required in this process involves the periodic collection and analysis of estimated versus actual data to understand and forecast the results, which includes the analysis of past performance along with the forecast, current status of risk and issues, work completed and to be completed in a given time. Okay, so in control communication, we monitor and control communications throughout the entire project life cycle to ensure the information needs of the project stakeholders are met. key benefit is that it ensures an optimal information flow among all communication participants at any moment in all the time. And the tool and techniques for this process include information management system, which provide a set of standard tools for the project manager to capture, store, and distribute information to stakeholders about project cost, schedule progress, and performance, which includes spread analysis, table reporting, and presentation. Expert judgment is also needed to be applied to technical and management details, and the experts can be consultant, project management officers, subject matters, expert, professional technical association. And the last one is meeting. Yeah, this one is also needed in control communication, which includes which requires like for the discussion and the dialogue with the project team members to determine the most appropriate way to update and respond to the stakeholder requirement. That's all for today. Thank you, and thank you so much.